Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up this little box here. It is the smallest box I get in the mail monthly, but it is not the least at all. This is actually the Ring of the Month Club by Silver and Gold. I've opened up a different jewelry subscription from them in the past too. They have several. This one, like the name suggests, is a monthly ring subscription. And sorry if you hear anything, that's Emmy. It costs $24.95 a month, and the value is always much higher. They use real sterling silver, and I have gotten this now. This will be my fourth one. I wore the past rings so I could show you what they look like. I will link Silver and Gold down below. And yeah, hey guys, before we get into it, I'll show you guys these closer in a second too. Welcome or welcome back. If you are new, my name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing before you go if you enjoy unboxings and subscription boxes like I do and like we all do here on our channel. So the very first ring I got was this one here, and I was so excited because it has amber in it, and I don't have any pieces, any crystals with amber. And then I think this was the one I received after that. It's called like the Aura Lights. I normally don't wear them all at once. And then this one's like blue opal. I like the round shape. When I first got it, I was like, I don't know, but it's really grown on me. I have been wearing this most days, especially when I film, because I like to have the color blue for like communication and stuff like that. So I've been really enjoying it. They're good quality. Yeah, no complaints. So if you are into rings, they also have different jewelry subscriptions for other types of jewelry. Like I mentioned, they have other plans. And they also have different plans for like different allergies, like nickel allergies or other different types of metals. So check out their website down below. And they also have a shop where you can just purchase jewelry and not a subscription. Emmy's really hyper. So it comes in a tiny box with this inside it. And I think it's just so cute. And I'm glad they don't like package it in something big and like, you know, it's economical, I guess you could say, sustainable how they ship it. And it says the name of what the ring is and the retail value. And it says here the retail value is $85. So yeah, you always get more, at least double the value than what you pay. And it's called the Yellow Diamond Simulant Eternity Band in 14 karat gold over sterling silver. Ooh. And when you sign up, you get to tell them 2 different ring sizes, which I think is really cool because you can wear rings on different fingers, you know? So it comes in this bag. This looks really cool. I didn't know what it meant when it said Eternity Band. And they like help you measure and figure out your ring size too if you don't know. This is cool. I've been really into like using colors like for different intentions, and this reminds me of the sun and like positivity. Let me put it on my fingers here. What hand? You know, I just put things on my commitment finger even though I am not committed to anyone. So I'm going to show you it like that. I think this would fit perfect on my middle finger too though. It's a little like chunky, but I think it's fun. It's definitely different. Yeah, and it's just like that all the way around. But yeah, this just reminds me of like the color yellow, like joy, creativity, like abundance. I actually really like this. It's just like this ring. The more I look at it, the more I see it on my finger, the more I like it. So I'll show you guys. It just... Sorry, my nails need to be done if you notice that. It's so sparkly. I feel like it's not really focusing though. And then here with the other ones, so that is it. I like this. I think I'm gonna wear it on my middle finger though. Let's see. Yeah. I like to switch things up for the day of the week and stuff like that too. Yes, yeah, perfect. It fit my other but my middle finger fits perfect. So that is what I have for you guys today. Quick video, but I really like getting a new ring every month. I used to not be a ring person, but now I wear them every single day. And every piece of jewelry I put on, I like say an affirmation every day. So it's like a part of my my daily ritual, and I really have been enjoying it. So again, link below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you're doing. Again, if you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. So that means I will see you tomorrow. I love you. Bye.